Yo, 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 Rocket City Classic Cars. I'm at my boys' lot. BMWs that are for sale. Got a little bit of everything. I'm out here looking at this E38. He's going to get the jump box and see if we can crank this bad boy up. But as you can see, he has a little bit of everything. We are in Hazel Green, so he's located in Hazel Green, Alabama. Whatever you need, any kind of parts for BMWs, Miatas, he has you. A couple of E34s over there. Do a little walk around. Older 7 Series. So as you can see, some have been torn down, broken down, and then some are in decent condition. They just need some love. This one right here needs a new engine. This E39, I believe it's a 540, excuse me. It needs a engine. So a little bit of everything. If you guys need parts, we got you. We got you. Yeah, she's running.
Might need a fuel pump.
Okay.
Didn't when I picked it up, but it sounds like it's not getting fuel now.
Okay. Look at this thing. From Japan. Got the red E34 540i. Very nice steel.
No rock red.
Yeah.
My second favorite color that came on the E34, only after Avis Blue. Man, it looks, especially when it's washed, it looks good.
Yeah. So yeah, got a little bit of everything. Got this M3 over here. E34 M3. Oh, M36. E36, excuse me. E36. Bam! And it's a manual.
My buddy's boss's shop, and they were moving out of the shop. And this van had been sitting back there, and I was like, hey, like, you want to sell me that van? He's like, well, actually, I need it gone tomorrow. I was just going to call the scrap guy and have him pick it up. I was like, no, let me get it.
Yeah, oh, wow,
So
yeah.
I picked this thing up, man. It's only got, let me look. I think it's like 60,000 miles.
Got the kidnap van.
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, 64,000 miles.
Sheesh.
Other than the dog box being off, man, the interior, I mean, look at these door
Wait,
crates.
wait,
They're
wait. So is that how it's supposed to be?
Yeah. So it's got it's like an
It's a
RV.
cover?
It's got a big, it's called a dog box. It's sitting back there.
Oh,
in the back
okay,
seat.
okay.
It covers all that up.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, the interior is immaculate.
Yeah, it looks really good. I mean, this would be a good church van.
Yeah, or
You
a
know,
transport van for
yeah,
somebody.
yeah.
People love these things, turn them into conversion vans. They put beds in the back and they,
Yeah.
you know.
So for something like this, how much would a person expect to pay?
Something like this, probably $6,000 to $7,000, $8,000 with the
Okay.
miles and the condition.
Okay.
Obviously, there's a lot of really rundown ones. If you want to
Okay.
do a full restoration, you can pick one up. like $1,500,
Gotcha.
if not less.
And what about the 335i?
So I actually have two of these. They're both kind of matching manual coupes, both 2007 manual 335s. This one I've had for maybe the longest I've ever owned a car.
Oh, wow.
I've had this for 4 years going on now, on and off. I've put a lot of money into it, and it hasn't gotten much nicer.
Dang it.
But it was pretty quick at one point. I've got full VRSF stuff, M Sport car, but I don't know. I kind of flip back and forth. I picked this one up after the fact.
The blue one, yeah.
It looks a lot nicer. It's got the M3 carbon fiber fenders, the cockpit, right? Carbon fiber trunk. But it's actually, I bought it. Just didn't have a transmission for some reason.
Sheesh.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Just funky story cars.
Yeah.
But I love this blue. I think this blue looks
this is
fantastic,
nice.
and it's got that peanut butter brown interior.
Oh yeah, let me check that out.
Which is complete, just not completely together.
Oh yeah, yeah.
See, I've got grass growing on. It's been sitting here too long. But
Looks
I'll
good.
probably do something with this eventually. Put this together.
Yeah.
Do a little single turbo kit. Put some money into the motor.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
It'll be one of those deals where I'll sell something and get some money and just put it back into this.
And then tell us about the M3 real quick.
So this is actually, I was telling you about Mike. This is Mike's old car.
Okay.
Mike had this car and he sold it to Jesse, who's out here sometimes. E36 M3. It's an S52 car. I've got the front bumper and everything. We were loading it on the trailer. It's got some, I don't know a ton about the car. I know it's got an aftermarket exhaust on it, some other little bits and pieces. Of course, got those Vader seats.
Oh yeah.
But that's one of those cars, man. Everybody seems to be wanting to go after. Is you know, E36 M3 is a good car to have.
Yeah, yeah. And how much can a person expect to, if they wanted to purchase this car from you?
This one, I think he's asking, I want to say 10.5 or 11.
Okay.
Like I said, that's,
Gotcha.
you know, it needs some love, but some of the prices on these are absolutely ridiculous.
And does it run?
Yeah, oh yeah, it runs and
Okay.
drives.
Okay,
I mean,
cool.
he could drive it anywhere.
Cool.
He just
cool.
hasn't. I'm not, he needs to do something with it, I guess, but.
So yes, folks, got the deal done. This one is going to be coming to the channel very, very soon. 2001 740IL, also known as an E38. Got some big plans for this bad boy. This is one of the cars that I've wanted for years. I wanted one of these for years. I finally got it. Finally got it. One last look at the interior. In decent shape. It needs to be cleaned up, but man, yes sir. I love it that the headliner is not sagging too much, but you guys heard it run. It runs good. Get this bad boy cleaned up though. Yep, 158,000 miles on it. Yes, sir. Definitely gonna get the new bumper. And I'm also gonna replace this plastic right here. It's pretty much done. Well, there you have it, folks. Rocket City Classic Cars. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Coming soon. Yep.